The civil authorities has issued a local area emergency for the following counties. All of Indiana. This alert has been issued because there was a virus spreading across United States and turning crewmates to imposters. The imposter is red, has two red horns, and has a creepy mouth. Please find shelter and stay safe. Civil authorities has issued a local area emergency for the following counties. All of Oklahoma. This alert was issued because there is a virus that is turning crewmates to imposters, and this first happened in Indiana at 12:36 p.m. And then the virus is spreading across the United States. Also the imposters is red. Not all imposters are red, has two horns, and has a creepy mouth. And this is very scary. All uninfected residents are advised to seek shelter. Do not visit your loved ones, because there is imposters everywhere. So turn off lights, turn off electronics, and try to be quiet. Good luck on surviving and stay safe.
Hello, this is a report because today there is a virus spreading across United States, and all uninfected residents are advised to seek shelter. This virus is turning crewmates to imposters, just like Among Us. If you want to survive, follow these instructions. 1. Turn off electronics and lights. 2. Stay quiet and turn off everything that makes a sound. 3. Try to hide. But first you need to block the doors, lock doors and windows and add oak planks. Also this is what the imposters look like. Yeah, this is what they look like. Very scary if you ask me, so guys, stay safe and good luck surviving. Wait, I hear something. Oh crap, it's the imposters. I gotta go. Stay safe and goodbye.
National alert. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. There are so many imposters infecting crewmates, and then Indiana might get fully infected soon. This alert was issued for the following counties. State of Indiana. We might think the United States will fall, and I think the virus will be spreading to Canada, Brazil, Mexico, Uruguay, United Kingdom, and more countries. We strongly advise you residents to stay at your shelter. Do not go outside. There is imposters everywhere in Indiana. Stay in your shelter. I repeat, stay in your shelter. Civil danger warning. The civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties: San Francisco CA, Kern CA, Contra Costa CA, Lassen CA. The virus that is turning crewmates to imposters has reached California, and we strongly advise you to never go outside, because there is imposters everywhere. Stay in your shelter, lock doors and windows, have things to block the doors and windows, cover your windows, turn off all electronics and lights. Stay safe and good luck on surviving.
If it's silent in dismay, it won't break this feeling down. If I conquer this my way, I'd devour, I'd surround. If it hurts you just a little, then it heals you when it's done. Disappointment is the anchor, resolution is the sun.
Local area emergency for Washington, D.C. The civil authorities has issued a local area emergency for the Washington, D.C. The virus that is turning crewmates to imposters has reached Washington. After Washington gets infected, Oregon will be the next victim that the virus is spreading to. Whatever you do, don't go outside, lock doors and windows, turn off electronics and lights, block the doors and windows, cover the windows. And stay at your shelter. If you're on a vehicle, don't let the imposters get you or break in. If you're on a bicycle or motorcycle, you have a high chance of certain death.
Well,
Civil authorities has issued a local area emergency for the state of Oregon. The virus that is infecting crewmates to imposters has reached Oregon. All uninfected residents are advised to seek shelter and lock your doors and windows, block the doors, cover the windows, turn off electronics and lights, and stay at your shelter. Civil authorities will also say that this virus is gonna spread to other states, like Maryland, Texas, Florida and more. Stay safe and good luck on surviving. Civil authorities has issued a local area emergency for the following counties: Mississippi. The virus has arrived to Mississippi to infect the crewmates into imposters. All uninfected residents are advised to seek shelter. If you're on home, lock doors and windows immediately. Cover the windows. Block the doors by using stuff. Turn off electronics and lights, stay quiet and don't make a sound. After those, seek shelter. Danger alert! There is a virus in the United States and it's an outbreak, where imposters infect crewmates, so they can turn them to an imposter Among Us. Well, how is a game in real life? That makes no sense. But okay, all residents are prepared to get necessary items, food, drinks, clothes, a portable radio, and more important things. Stay tuned for any updates. The United States government has issued a goodbye message. The United States is about to fall, because the imposter apocalypse almost infected all 346 million of the population. This is very scary. So we will play the national anthem, Goodbye United States.
Jump!
You guys saved me!
How are you feeling? Are you okay?
Yeah, but Banana and your mom and Mr. Grits and Mr. Pepperoni Man, they didn't make it. What about you guys? How did you manage to survive and get this airship?
It wasn't easy. We were just very lucky. When the impostor apocalypse broke out, I was actually at the airport about to head off on my holiday when I heard the news and the imposter zombies all started popping up. I made a run for it and hijacked this airship, and I've been flying around retrieving my friends ever since. I'm sorry it took so long to find you.
Wow. But what do we do now?
We don't know.
We'll find a cure.
A cure?
But how?
We've got an airship. Surely there's something on this ship that could help us.
It's a pity there's no medbay on this ship. We could have tried to make our own cure.
Perhaps not, but there is a records room.
Hey, you're right. We could search through our data and files there. Surely something would help us find a cure.
Let's do it.
Guys, I think I found something. It says there are healing properties in the gem at the vault. Maybe that'll heal everyone and bring them back to normal.
It's worth a shot.
But what now? How do we get the healing properties from the gem?
I think I have an idea.
This is an emergency action termination. It's safe to go outside now. All imposters has turned into normal people now. We want to thank the crewmates in the airship for saving and restoring the United States. They will be traveling across Canada and United States in order to stop this outbreak. Hope this never happens again. This nightmare is finally over. Normal programming will resume.